Sorry guys, my camera just cut out for some stupid reason. But no, back to the stress ball or stress sock thing. I don't know what to call it. What you're gonna do is because socks can get tiny little like holes in them. What you're gonna want to do is just punch myself in the chest. This isn't very sticky. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use a long strip. Oh boy. That tape was bad. It actually wasn't. It was actually pretty good. My hands are so oily. Usually I'm really good at this. I hate cutting it with scissors. It just takes the fun out of it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut this. Ew. Now I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna like it's gonna like duct tape the sides of the sock. There. Just like that, and it's just the side. Just like that, okay? And then, what I did is I'm just gonna put some paste. Oh yeah, and this is toothpaste if you didn't watch my previous video. Okay, and then kind of open it up. Oh yeah, and you're gonna have to put it onto a water bottle funnel, kind of like that. Then I'm just gonna squeeze it and smooth it out, and then I'm just gonna scream and shout, and then I'm gonna squeeze it all, scream and shout and let it out. I'm sorry guys, it's just I've been singing that song all week. Then you're gonna need a pencil or something to push it down. Yes, it is gonna get a little hard. I'm just gonna set that back there. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna knead it. Just knead it down and through. All and out. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take some Play-Doh. I don't know why on earth that was hard to open. I'm just gonna take some, just like this, just like a little like ball, kind of. And then what I'm gonna do to make it easier, I'm just gonna like kind of like roll it, kind of. And I'm sorry if the camera's moving a lot. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna kind of like stretch it out just a little bit so it can fit down the hole, just like that. That is what mine looks like. And then I'm just gonna try and just insert it through the hole. Yeah, I know it looks a little weird, just like crawling through. It kind of feels like a worm. Like a worm. Jeez, I just got two hands. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, like I said earlier, just knead it and squeeze it all around. Okay, and then, and mine is starting to come out of the sock. Okay, and I'm just gonna tape the sock. Just keep the sock. Just tape the sock. Tape the sock, baby. Tape, tape, take the sock, baby, baby. Okay, okay, and then I'm just gonna try and attempt to tape it together. Right now, it's not working. Okay, oh my god. Why aren't you sticking? Cut it. And I'm sorry if there's like a moment of silence and some voices in another background, but my mom is taking a business call or whatever. I don't know what in the frick she is doing. Got this. There you go. Okay, then I'm just gonna get some more duct tape. Ooh, actually quite a bit of duct. This is actually quite a bit of duct tape. Sorry guys, I just couldn't speak. For some weird reason, I haven't like been able to speak almost like all week. I haven't been able to speak really all week. I'm sorry guys, I just love music. It's almost like music is my passion. Sometimes I even sing when I'm listening to African American flute wooden flute music. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Like seriously, who listens to a wooden flute, a Native American music nowadays? Well, guess what? I do. Live with it. Whatever. Okay, and then hang on, guys. I'm almost done. Here we go. And like I said before, and then you're just gonna knead it all around with the sock. Then in my next video, I'm going to teach you guys on how to make some duct tape flowers. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. Keep that down. Okay, and then just keep on kneading it so it's like all nice up and in there. Hang on, gotta grab more Play-Doh. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 4 more. Okay, then, you know what? Next I'm just gonna do some orange. There's like crystal like flakes or whatever in here. Scoop that out. then again, just roll it up until like a log or kind of whatever. Whatever you guys want to call it. I'm sorry, it's my mind's just boggled out right now with it being the New Year's. Okay, oh my god. Okay, yeah, this orange is not working out with me. It just keeps on cracking. I don't know why, but it keeps on cracking. Hate it when it does that. Then again, I'm just gonna yeah, just keep on rolling the Play-Doh and putting it inside of the funnel like this. Oh boy. Gotta get my pencil out again. And then, like I said before, just shove it in there like it's nobody's business. Okay, it's making a weird sound like there you go. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze it from the top. And I'm just going to knead it down. So, yeah. And then just keep on doing that until it is good for your liking. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make duct tape flowers. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So, I just said I'm almost done. I'm making a video.
You what?
Making a video right now. I literally said that I was just finishing up. So, can you let me finish up here? Okay, and then, like I said earlier, just knead it down to the bottom. Just like this. And then if you just want scent, just put it in with perfume. 1, 2, 3, and